The function of the machine is to save work. So expressed, this sounds splendid. It makes one sick to see half a dozen men sweating their guts out to dig a trench for a water pipe, when some easily devised machine would scoop the earth out in a couple of minutes. Why not let the machine do the work and the men go and do something else? But presently the question arises, what else are they to do? Supposedly they are set free from work in order that they may do something which is not work. But what is work and what is not work? Is it work to dig, to carpenter, to plant trees, to fell trees, to ride, to fish, to hunt, to feed chickens, to play the piano, to take photographs, to build a house, to cook, to sew, to trim hats, to mend motor bicycles? All of these things are work to somebody, and all of them are play to somebody. There are, in fact, very few activities which cannot be classed either as work or play, according as you choose to regard them. The labourer set free from digging may want to spend his leisure or part of it in playing the piano, while the professional pianist may be only too glad to get out and dig at the potato patch. Hence the antithesis between work as something intolerably tedious and not work as something desirable is false. The truth is that when a human being is not eating, drinking, sleeping, making love, talking, playing games, or merely lounging about, and these things will not fill up a lifetime, he needs work and usually looks for it, though he may not call it work. Above the level of a third or fourth grade moron, life has got to be lived largely in terms of effort, for man is not, as the vulgar hedonists seem to suppose, a kind of walking stomach. He has also got a hand, an eye, and a brain. Cease to use your hands, and you have lopped off a huge chunk of your consciousness. And now consider again those half-dozen men who were digging the trench for the water pipe. A machine has set them free from digging, and they are going to amuse themselves with something else, carpentering, for instance. But whatever they want to do, they will find that another machine has set them free from that. For in a fully mechanized world, there would be no more need to carpenter, to cook, to mend motor bicycles, etc., than there would be to dig. There is scarcely anything, from catching a whale to carving a cherry stone, that could not conceivably be done by machinery. The machine would even encroach upon the activities we now class as art. It is doing so already via the camera and the radio. Mechanize the world as fully as it might be mechanized, and whichever way you turn there will be some machine cutting you off from the chance of working, that is, of living.